Welcome to LSA Instructional Support Services Room Reservations. This video tutorial will walk you through how to submit a request for an LSA room rental through our ticketing system. First, go to the LSA ISS homepage. Hover over Classroom Information. Then click on Classroom Rental Reservations. Here you'll find an overview of the reservation services. If you are looking for the SOAS free rooms, those are done directly through SOAS. You can access their page through this link here. LSA room rentals are available for a fee based on the capacity of the room. To look for specific rooms and availabilities, you can click here to access the LSA Classroom database. This database will show you the capacity, room number, and room schedule. Click on the calendar icon under Details to check the schedule for any specific room. When checking a room schedule, you can adjust details such as the time frames and days of the week. You can also search for rooms by building name or other filters shown here. Once you have a particular space in mind that will work for your event, click here to fill out our room rental reservation form. Please read the instructions at the top of the page. Be sure your organization is aware of the fees that will be associated with the LSA room reservation. The red fields are required. Enter your student group name, project grant, or short code, event name, estimated attendees, date and times, and whether it will be a weekend event here. Indicate the number of rooms needed here, and fill out the room preferences accordingly. Please acknowledge you have read and understood our cancellation policy here, and note other concerns in this field. Enter your email address and other contacts you would like to be copied on email notifications. Once you have entered all the information, submit your ticket. You should hear back within 3 to 5 business days. You will receive a confirmation with instructions as well as our facility use agreement. A final tip: most of the technology in LSA classrooms are self-service. However, LSA auditorium equipment booths are locked. If you need to use equipment for your event, you will have to submit a separate request in advance to the tag desk so they can schedule tech support. This will be billed in addition to your room fees. The following classrooms require ISS staff to operate the installed equipment. You will need to submit a separate ticket, which can be found here. We look forward to helping you find the room you need and hope this video answers the questions you may have had. For additional assistance, you can contact LSA Room Reservations at lsa-iss-roomrequests@umich.edu. Thank you for watching!